land acquisition cost is very high, and 1/4 of the total cost is consumed by foundation construction. So, to avoid these costs, multi-story building is the demand of today's world. I am Engineer Shaparuk, and you are watching your own channel Civil Engineering World, the Civilite. In this video, we are going to discuss different construction steps of multi-story building. But before starting, please like the video. Let's start today's discussion. After completing architectural and structural drawing work and administrative approval, the first step of actual construction is study of plan layout. In this step, in charge engineer study drawings in detail. Then planning of different construction work is carried out. Different stages of construction work are overviewed, and if there is any problem, it is reported to consultant or administration. For big construction project, work is divided into different zones, and it is also decided that which part is to be constructed first and which part of the building is to be constructed at last. After studying structural and architectural drawing thoroughly, the next stage is clearance of the site, because the site may not be suitable for direct construction. It may need proper clearance. So construction site is cleared. If site is not level, it must be leveled. If there is water present on site, so it will be difficult to carry out construction work in presence of water. Therefore, the water must be removed. If there is any waste, the waste are removed from the site. After site clearance, the next stage started is excavation. Excavation for foundation work is started according to foundation type. Most commonly used foundation for multi-story building is made or inverted slab foundation. But excavation work for foundation is carried out according to the foundation type selected in drawings and specification. Excavation can be done by traditional or by means of machine. For small work, traditional excavation is carried out, and for large or mega project, machine excavation is done. During construction, we will need a lot of material. All essential materials required for construction are procured and stored properly. Each material required different storage method. Materials that will be used first and materials that are difficult to obtain are procured first to run the construction work without any delay. At site, there must be enough stock for at least 7 days of construction work. After excavation work is completed, the next stage is laying up foundation. If building length is more, so for quick work, work is divided into different zones. It will help in achieving the target in less time, and it will also make the work properly planned. Excavation and construction can also be done simultaneously for large construction work. It means that if the construction work is large, so at one part or at one zone, you can carry out your excavation work, and at other zone where excavation work is completed, you can start foundation work. The next step after completing foundation construction is construction of superstructure. Construction of structural member like column, beam, slab, etc. and construction of non-structural member like partition walls, doors and windows, parapet walls, etc. Masonry and concrete construction require proper curing. So proper arrangement for curing of concrete and masonry work is also required during this stage of construction. After completing construction work, the next step is provision of services. When you done with construction, the next step is to provide electric supply service, gas supply, and water supply. Nowadays, The most commonly and effective method for electric and water supply is concealed pipe method, in which pipes for electric and water supply are embedded in concrete in masonry work. The next step is surface finishing. In this step, plastering, pointing, whitewashing, and paint work of the building is carried out. The aesthetics and pleasant appearance of the building totally depends upon this stage. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. For more updated videos about civil engineering, please subscribe the channel by clicking on subscribe button along with the bell icon to receive the notification of upcoming videos. And do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much.